everyone, we're back now. So the train is just here right there.
Of course, you could use all your charge. Look at this, doesn't have any charge left.
That's because I haven't charged it today. I did it last night.
You used that much charge already today? Your phone's gonna be dead. I'm glad we're not taking the metro. You wouldn't be able to use it. No, we didn't bring any charger because we thought everybody would have charged their phone before they got here. Mommy definitely charged her phone. 100%.
関西空港線と近鉄線、地下鉄線、阪海線のお乗り換えです。
I don't have a cable.
天王寺を出ますと、
Somebody needs to
次
think
は
for
丸
themselves.
の王子に停まります。
There's a bridge.
こ
No,
の
it
電
isn't
車
going
は
to
阪和線、関西空港現場
There's
に停まりますので、ご注意ください。
Okay, next time you remember then, this is a lesson learned.
天王寺
Wow, there goes that train.
But I'll take the pictures for you and give them to you later, and you can post them to Instagram, which you'll get much better pictures.
Transit here, Osaka Loop Line to Tsuruhashi and
You won't be able to
Totobashi, for the Hanwha and Kansai Airport lines, and the Kintetsu, Subway, and Hankai lines. After leaving Tennoji, we will be stopping at
Yeah,
Q40.
you can easily charge them.
This train does not travel to
You never know. We
Kansai
might go to some
Airport
restaurant.
via
That
the
restaurant
Hanwha
might have a
line.
charger. You never know.
It's Japan. They don't have to.
Right, yeah, this
Well,
train
we'll
takes
see.
a stop. We'll be right back after this. After this break.
We're not
Right,
going back to
see ya.
Osaka for you to charge.